Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes. This is your faculty Neha. Today we will be starting with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is World of Flowers. Kids, flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Plants have different types of flowers, and these flowers have variety of sizes, shapes, color and fragrances. Some plants like grass and weeds do not have bright color or the fragrant flower. Now let's see how we get flowers from buds. Kids, flowers grow from buds. When buds open, they bloom into flowers. On the screen, you can see an image where the process of bud is turning into flower has been shown. Kids, there are some flowers like rose, bougainvillea and marigold which are seen throughout the year. Students, there are some flowers which grow in particular seasons only. For example, dahlias, petunias and calendulus. These flowers bloom only in winter. Flowers which bloom in springs are daffodils, tulips, carnations, pansies, and the flower that blooms in summer are sunflower, salvias, and jasmines. Parts of flowers. Kids, the main parts of flower are sepals, petals, stamen, and carpel. Sepals. The green leaf-like structure at the base of a flower are called sepal. They protect the flower in the bud condition. Petals. Petals are present on the inner side of the sepals. The petals are the most attractive part of a flower. They are of different colors, sizes and shapes. The function of the petal is to attract the insects for pollination. Stamen. On the inner side of the petals, they are stalks with swollen tips. These are called stamens. Carpel. In the middle of a flower lies a thin flask-shaped structure called carpel. The carpel also help in the formation of fruits and seeds. Kids, did you know that flowers are used for many purposes? For example, they are used for making perfumes, medicines, cosmetics, decorations, vegetables, flavor, dyes, and religious decorations. Some flowers have a pleasant fragrance. They are used for making perfumes, which smells very good. Rose, jasmine, curare, lavender are some fragrant flowers. Some flowers can be cooked and eaten like a vegetable. Flowers are also used as medicines. Cloves are the dried flowers of clove plant. The oil extracted from the clove flower is used to cure toothache. Flowers are used as medicines. Creams and ointments containing arnica extracts are used to cure wounds, injury or any kind of muscle pains. It also reduces the pain of the body. Rose flower is used as a cleanser for face. It acts as hair serum and prevents dark circle. Kids, did you know that we use flowers for preparing cosmetics? Flowers like rose, lavender, jasmine, lotus, rosemary and many more are used for making creams. And flower is also used for designs. Floral designs have always inspired many. From fabric to poetry, you will find floral designs everywhere. Flowers are used as dyes. Flowers like marigold, zinnia, dahlia, daffodil are used as dye color for clothes. Flowers are also used for decoration. Flowers to decorate our houses during festivals, weddings, and many occasions. Flowers are also used for religious celebration. For example, for decorating Lord Ganesha or any of the god or goddesses. Flowers contain a sweet liquid in them called nectar. Bees, butterflies suck the nectar. Bees turn the nectar into honey. Did you see, kids? Flowers have many uses, so it is very important to protect flowers from being plucked away unnecessarily. Conclusion of the lesson is we use flowers for perfumes, vegetables, medicines, flavors, cosmetics, dyes, decoration, religious celebration, honey from flowers, selling the flowers. There are many uses. That's all from this lesson. Thank you very much for paying attention. Kids, keep blooming always. Have a great day ahead.